It's just really interesting to see with the analytics side, like, wow, I'm saving a lot of time. My name is Austin Breshears. I'm the maintenance director for Chick-fil-A. Before UpKeep, I was using a paper request form, or even just people coming to me for different items that needed fixed. So I might even just be voice, just by them telling me. And my boss actually told me that I was getting pretty disorganized, but with UpKeep, I have all that. You know, I can even update the team through UpKeep, and it'll send them an email of, hey, I started this work order, so they know exactly what's going on. My boss occasionally will ask, hey, well, what'd you do this week? Well, let me show you what I did this week. I can print those out. I can send you a PDF file with exactly what I did, and that way there's no question. My biggest value in UpKeep would be from the parts inventory side, because UpKeep can flag items that you might need, or it's like, well, I already have a lot of this overstock. It's reducing that cost there on the R&M line, or repairs and maintenance, because I'm not overstocking parts, but in that productivity as well, because I'm not searching 2 hours for a part. I know exactly where it's at. UpKeep has had a major impact on what I do day to day. I'm trying to track my time and making sure that I am being productive in my work every day. That's been a big value for me. Currently, with trying to track and see how much I'm saving each store location per year, and that way it's just more of a tool I can use later on down the road asking for that raise. And I would only be able to do that with UpKeep because I can track that stuff.